The G80 Adro bumper is the ugliest thing, unless you get the full wide body kit, which absolutely completes this car. Now the reason why is because the Adro bumper is super aggressive and has all these sharp body lines, and when you put it onto the G80 or G82, it doesn't really flow with the rest of the body, making it look like a regular G80 just with a different bumper. But when you do the full wide body kit, this thing looks like it'd be crazy on the track, and it's a lot more wider, which fits that vibe of the front bumper. This angle literally shows how much this front bumper flows with the rest of the body because of that full body kit. Now no offense to this person, but it just looks like a regular G80 just with a different bumper, and it doesn't really, you know, look that amazing. I don't even like the Adro bumper, but when I look at this, yo, this is actually kind of nice. And look at the rear end. Just look at how wide this car is. It definitely fits the Adro vibe a lot more, giving this car a very aggressive look compared to this. The only issue with the full wide body kit is it doesn't come for the G80. It's also 40 grand and it's out of stock somehow. Also, same goes for the G87, which by the way made it look so much more better. I just think these grills should be changed out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.